regarding dun sa mga may warrants of arrest, we all know na yung ICC, apart from former President Duterte, may mga balita na meron silang, mag-i-issue sila ng mga susunod pa. And we all know na one of those na napapabalita is yung former chief ng PNP, now Senator Bato. Just in case na eventually magkaroon ng ganun, how do you plan to go about it?
We'll just cross the bridge when we are there. Kasi ang hirap ng pangunahan nun na pag may darating na ganito, may darating na ganun, paano pag wala? Di parang napakahirap naman nun. But obviously, we are also making contingencies na pag may nangyaring ng ganito, anong ating gagawin? Pag may nangyaring ganun, ganun din ang ating gagawin. So, hindi nga lang siya talaga proper na parang i-discuss mo na kagad at the moment. Nakita niyo naman siguro. You know what I mean? It's really something that is something that has to be acted upon pag andyan na. Okay? We'll make decisions as it comes.